Welcome to InvestoSphere, your go-to destination for mastering financial freedom and building income streams that work for you. Today, we're diving deep into a platform most people associate with resumes and job hunting, LinkedIn. But here's the twist. You don't need a job to earn money on LinkedIn. Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we're going to explore proven strategies to turn LinkedIn into your personal income engine, even if you're not employed. So grab a notepad, settle in, and let's unlock the power of this overlooked gold mine. Part 1. The LinkedIn Opportunity. LinkedIn isn't just a job search tool. With over 900 million users and a professional-first atmosphere, it's a perfect platform for building authority, generating leads, networking with decision-makers, and offering high-value services. This is where professionals spend their time, which makes it ideal for consultants, coaches, freelancers, creators, and digital product sellers. Part 2. Optimize your LinkedIn profile for income. Treat your profile like a sales page. Your headline should state what you offer. Use a clean, professional photo. Fill out the About section with a compelling story about who you help and how. Showcase services, achievements, case studies, and testimonials. Add a call to action with links to your offer or lead magnet. Part 3. Identify your monetization method. There are several ways to earn on LinkedIn without being traditionally employed. Freelance services, offer writing, design, consulting, or tech support. Coaching or mentorship. If you have industry knowledge, you can guide others, selling digital products, ebooks, templates, courses, etc. Affiliate marketing. Promote relevant software or products to your network. Lead generation. Build a niche audience and refer them to businesses for a fee. Part 4. Build authority through content. Post content that helps your target audience. It should educate, inspire, or solve a problem. Share case studies, quick tips, personal stories, industry news, and advice. Use carousels, videos, and long-form posts to diversify. Engage with comments and other creators to boost visibility. Part 5. Grow your network strategically. Don't just add random people. Connect with your target audience and industry players. Send personalized connection requests. Start conversations in DMs without pitching right away. Join relevant groups and become a valuable voice in discussions. Part 6. Create a high-value offer. Your offer should solve a specific problem. Use your profile and posts to drive curiosity. Add lead magnets like free guides or checklists to collect emails. Build a simple funnel leading to your offer. Part 7. Use LinkedIn features to amplify reach. Use LinkedIn Creator Mode for analytics and reach. Host live events or webinars. Enable newsletters to deliver weekly content. Use hashtags strategically. Part 8. Automate and scale. Use scheduling tools for regular posting. Automate outreach using ethical tools. Build an email list from LinkedIn traffic. Outsource design and copywriting as you scale. Part 9. Real example story of a freelancer making $5,000 a month from client referrals on LinkedIn. A coach who built a $50,000 a year business from content and live events. That a solopreneur selling Google Sheet templates that went viral via LinkedIn posts. Part 10. Challenges and how to overcome them. Dealing with low engagement, consistency, and niche-specific content. Struggling with content ideas. Follow industry news and repurpose. Building trust. Post testimonials and results. Feeling like an imposter. Share your journey openly. Now you know, LinkedIn isn't just a place to look for jobs. It's a modern marketplace for ideas, services, and value exchange. With consistent effort, smart strategies, and a bit of creativity, you can transform LinkedIn into a serious income source. If you learned something valuable from this video, hit that like button. Subscribe to InvestoSphere for more detailed breakdowns on making money online, building passive income, and achieving financial freedom. And don't forget to leave a comment sharing your favorite part or any questions you still have. I'd love to hear what you plan to implement. Question for you. What's one service or skill you already have that you could monetize on LinkedIn starting today?